Okay. Hello everyone. Good evening. Today I am going to tell about the English, how it plays the major role in our life. You know that basically, if you want to do anything in your life, just like big, you have to learn English, and you have to know the fluent English, because this is the major language to communicate with anyone. If you want to communicate with anyone in the whole world, you can use this language, and you can get them understand them very easily. Just like in the schools, you know that most of the students are learning English because they're having their all subjects in English. So it helps them to understand all the subjects very easily, because there are so many difficult words we don't understand there. So English can make it very easily, and you can get it very easily. And if I talk about the jobs, in the job sectors, you know that whenever you go for any interviews and any type of job, you have to be perfect in English, because they only want the communication skill. They only judge you as in your degree by your language, just like the communication skill. Just whenever they ask you anything, they just want you to answer in English. Without English, they just think that you have come from the backward, and you have come from something else. Just like you are not the much educated enough you are not the capable for that job. So that's why you have to be perfect in that English for go any field. Just like if you want to go